think I messed up the video trying to learn how to hold this thing without the selfie stick, because the selfie stick made my wrist and my thumb and my arm sore. So I'm trying to film by hand, which I'm hoping will mean that you can hear me because the phone is closer to my face. But apparently I have to be a little careful about not pushing the button and not getting my finger in front of the camera also, which is super awesome. I'm not so great with my pinkies in front of the camera lens. Camera lens, camera lens. Just trying to sneak around through the catnip. Ooh. Tina says nope. Oh, snap. I will eat it. Oh, yeah. Oh, flip butt. Are you getting directions from Mama OG? Well, I think the voting has come in, and it seems like there are more views for you in landscape. So even though the people cannot see the blue lovely sky or the entirety of your fluffy bottom, they prefer to see a lot of it. And that is one of the benefits of being in landscape. You can see more because the whole TV gets to see more. Scratch because there's no water in it. Tank and Tina. Tina and Tank. Getting some breakfast snacks over by the catnip. Tank and Tina. Tina and Tank. Tina and Tank. No. Tank and Tina. They're doing great. Hello. What's up? You gonna say something when I look away? Huh? Ah. Ooh, it's getting crazy. Me too, Hank. Yeah, that's probably too much. Did you guys go get the big guns? Huh? Tina. She's not having it, sir. Papa. I know, right, Mama? Oh, there's even a guinea here? Ah, it's gone crazy. They're gone. And we got to deal with this. Hi, Guinea.